Have you ever wondered why you're tired, stressed, or can't sleep even after a long day? What if I told you there's one mineral most people in the US aren't getting enough of, and scientists are calling its benefits shocking? Today we're diving into magnesium, the natural mineral that affects everything from sleep quality to stress relief, heart health, energy levels, and even inflammation. Most people don't know this, but doctors are actually surprised by how important magnesium really is. So stick around, because this video could literally change the way you feel every day. Why this matters. Magnesium is a mineral your body needs for life-supporting processes, yet roughly 50% of adults in the US don't get enough of it through food or diet alone. That means millions of people may be struggling with issues they think are normal, but are really linked to a simple nutrient gap. And before we go further, let me be clear, we're not using confusing medical jargon, just straight-talk science and simple explanations so anyone watching can understand and benefit. What is magnesium really? Magnesium is a natural mineral found in foods like leafy greens, spinach and kale, nuts and seeds, pumpkin seeds and almonds, whole grains, legumes, and more. Your body uses it in hundreds of processes, from helping muscles relax to keeping your heartbeat steady and your nerves calm. It's like a tiny helper that keeps your body running smoothly, acting behind the scenes in almost every system. Magnesium and sleep, the amazing connection. One of the most proven and exciting benefits of magnesium is how it affects sleep quality. Recent controlled research shows that a specific form of magnesium, called magnesium L-threonate, can significantly improve sleep quality, not just making people fall asleep faster, but also improving daytime energy, mood, and mental alertness when compared to a placebo. Why does this matter? Magnesium helps your brain calm down for sleep by supporting a calming chemical called GABA and helping your body regulate melatonin, the sleep hormone. It reduces nighttime brain activity so you fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer. In simpler terms, magnesium acts like a reset button for your sleep cycle, helping your body switch out of alert mode and into rest mode. Stress, anxiety, and magnesium. Have you ever felt irritable, overwhelmed, or constantly stressed? Magnesium plays a major role in how your brain handles stress hormones. It helps regulate the nervous system, especially the calm down signals, by supporting GABA, the same brain chemical many stress-reducing medications target naturally. Even though people talk about stress supplements online, real scientific evidence shows magnesium can help reduce the physical response to stress, making your body less reactive when life gets hectic. And that's not just theory. Multiple research studies link higher magnesium intake to improved sleep and mood, especially in people struggling with anxiety and insomnia. Heart health, magnesium's big role. Most people don't think of a mineral like magnesium as playing a part in heart health, but it absolutely does. Research shows that low magnesium levels are linked to higher risk of heart problems like high blood pressure, heart rhythm issues, coronary artery inflammation, stroke risk. In other words, having enough magnesium is like giving your heart extra support every day, naturally. Inflammation and everyday health. Inflammation is linked to aging, chronic pain, fatigue, and many long-term health issues, and magnesium can help. Dietitians and researchers point out that magnesium may reduce markers of inflammation in the body, like C-reactive protein, CRP, which is tied to everything from heart problems to joint stiffness. So the benefits aren't just sleep or stress. Magnesium could help your whole body stick closer to a healthier baseline every day. Many Americans are deficient, why you should care. Despite its importance, half of adults aren't getting enough magnesium in their diet. That's huge, and it means that many people may be walking around with symptoms that feel normal, but are really linked to a nutrient shortfall. Common subtle signs of low magnesium include difficulty falling asleep, waking up tired, extra tension or stress, muscle cramps, trouble relaxing at night. Sound familiar? That's because this deficiency isn't rare, it's common.
Food sources. Eat these every day. If you want to get more magnesium naturally, here are some excellent food sources. Top magnesium-rich foods are spinach and leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds and cashews, whole grains, beans, and lentils. Eating these regularly helps you get magnesium the natural way, and research supports that food-based magnesium is linked with improved sleep, better mood, and overall health. Supplements. When to use them and what for. Magnesium supplements can be helpful, especially if your diet is low in magnesium or you're dealing with sleep or stress problems. Popular supplement forms include magnesium glycinate, often used for sleep and relaxation, magnesium citrate, sometimes used for digestion, and magnesium L-threonate, noted for brain and sleep support. Each form works slightly differently, and some people find certain ones work better for them. Pro tip: if you want sleep support, taking magnesium with a meal or in the evening tends to help more with bedtime calmness. Latest science on magnesium, what research says. Now here's the part that most people don't know. Recent clinical research shows that magnesium, especially magnesium L-threonate, doesn't just help sleep, it can improve daytime energy, mood, and overall brain functioning compared to placebo. In a randomized trial, people who took magnesium L-threonate reported better sleep quality and felt more alert and productive during the day. In simple language, it's not just about falling asleep. Magnesium may help your whole body and brain perform better during the day, too. And that's why so many scientists are rethinking how powerful this mineral really is.
Real-world benefits. What to expect? Let's talk about what people actually experience when they boost their magnesium intake. Easier time falling asleep, longer, deeper sleep, less stress and anxiety, calmer muscles, less tension at night, better daily mood, more energy during the day. Of course, results vary for everyone, but the pattern is clear. When people fix their magnesium gap, many of these symptoms improve over time. Warning: what you should know and avoid. Now a quick reality check. Magnesium isn't a magic cure, but it's a powerful nutrient your body needs. And while most people benefit from magnesium-rich foods, supplements can help if diet alone isn't enough. Things to remember: start with food first. Supplements aren't one size fits all. Too much magnesium from supplements can cause mild digestive issues, so follow package directions. And if you have medical conditions, talk to a healthcare expert before using supplements. Remember, simple steps often make the biggest difference. So here's the real takeaway. Magnesium affects your sleep, stress, energy, heart, and even inflammation, yet most people don't know how important it is. If you struggle with any of these daily challenges, magnesium might just be the missing piece your body needs. If you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more science-backed health secrets, and comment below. What's the one benefit you're most excited to try first? Thanks for watching.